Nothing feels better than wrapping your hands around a warm mug of rich, creamy hot chocolate, especially on Hug Day. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate cozy drink, a velvety, smooth hot chocolate topped with fluffy marshmallows, perfect for warming your heart and soul. Whether you're cuddling up with a loved one or just treating yourself, this is the perfect hug in a mug. So let's get started and make the most comforting hot chocolate you've ever had. It's easier than you think, and the results are absolutely worth it. First, gather your ingredients. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. 2 cups whole milk, which provides a rich and creamy base. 1/2 cup heavy cream for that extra luxurious texture. And 2 tablespoons cocoa powder to give it that deep chocolate flavor. 1/4 cup chopped dark chocolate, which will melt into the milk and cream, adding a rich velvety texture. 2 tablespoons sugar, adjust to taste. To sweeten it up just right, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract for a hint of warmth, and a pinch of salt to balance all the flavors. And of course, marshmallows for topping. They add a fun, whimsical touch and melt into the hot chocolate, making it even more delightful. Optional whipped cream and cocoa powder for garnish. These are the finishing touches that make your hot chocolate look and taste like it came from a fancy cafe. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine whole milk and heavy cream. This is the base of your hot chocolate, and it's important to heat it gently. Stir occasionally and warm it up just until it's steaming, but not boiling. This ensures that the milk and cream blend together smoothly. Be careful not to let it boil, as boiling can cause the milk to curdle and change the texture of your hot chocolate. Next, whisk in cocoa powder, sugar, and finely chopped chocolate. This is where the magic happens. Stir continuously until the chocolate melts completely, creating a smooth and luscious texture. The key is to keep stirring to ensure everything is well combined. You'll notice the mixture becoming thicker and more decadent as the chocolate melts into the milk and cream. A touch of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt take this hot chocolate to the next level, balancing the flavors and making every sip even more delicious. Now carefully pour the hot chocolate into your favorite mug. This is the moment you've been waiting for. And now comes the best part, toppings. This is where you can get creative and make your hot chocolate truly your own. Top it off with as many marshmallows as your heart desires. They will melt slightly, creating a gooey, sweet layer on top. For extra indulgence, add a swirl of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder. These finishing touches make your hot chocolate look and taste like a treat. And just like that, you have the perfect hug in a mug. Creamy, rich, and soul-warming, this hot chocolate is pure comfort in every sip. Take a moment to enjoy your creation. Sit back, relax, and let the warmth of the hot chocolate envelop you. Try this recipe and let us know how it made your day cozier. We love hearing how our recipes bring a little extra comfort to your lives. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming recipes. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to share these cozy moments with you.